Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Question number 3. Now here in the table values, the graph, if we will see the x values are 0.5. The difference between 1 over 4 and 1 by 2 is 0.25, and 1 by 2 to 1 is 0.5, and all other values have the difference is 1. Now for these two values, we will find these values by putting the values in the function. Now I will put the values at the place of x, so it is 1 by 4. You can find this value by using calculator also, or you can multiply this 4 with the numerator. So this becomes 16. Okay, because the third fraction, like this is the first fraction, second fraction. So second, after second fraction, we have a third term. So third term will multiply with the numerator always. So it will be 16. Now this first value is 16, and second value you can find here by putting x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the function we have 1 by. So here this 2 will multiply with 4. So it will be 8. Okay, this value will be 8. And other value, this one, if we are putting 1 here in the function, so it is 4. If you are putting 2, it is 2. And other all values, you can also use the calculator, or you can by putting these values in the function. So I am using here calculator from 1 to 5. Mod, then 7, press 7, use your calculator and find the values with me. F of x function is 4 by 7. So you will write 4, then press a fraction sign, that is under the CALC in the third row after shift. Okay, then press down key and x, alpha x, that is 4 by x. Now equal, the first step is 1, and the last step we are taking is 5. Okay, our difference is 1. So values are 4, 2. Next is 40 is 1.3, and for 4 is 1, and 5 is 0.8. Got it?
Yes.
From 1 to 5, I use the calculator because here the difference is 1 for all numbers. So uh, I did for the step, I took the difference of 1. First limit is 1 and the last limit is 5. Okay, and then I got the all values for 1 to 5, 4 to 1.3, 1 and 0.8. This is the table that we have completed. Now use a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis, and 1 centimeter represent 1 unit on the y-axis. So it's mean for here along x-axis, uh, function is from 1.4 to x. Okay, along x-axis 2 centimeter is 1. So this one I'm taking here 1, 2. I have a small graph, so I am taking according to this graph. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if I will take it is 5. It's all function is positive, so better to take here. Wait, because all values are positive. 1.3, and also on the right side. So I am starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take 2 centimeters, means you will take here 1, 2, then 3, then 4. You have a big graph paper, so you can take according to two square equal to 1. Okay, but I am taking according to the graph, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is according to y-axis, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1 unit. 1 centimeter represent to 1 unit. It will be a very big graph because we have a y is 16 also. So we need a more big graph. 1 centimeter represent 1 unit on the y-axis. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I will take its 5, 10 or 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16, and take one more 17. Okay, 1.4. 1.4. So 1.4 means it will be, sorry, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. So if we will make the 4 parts of this from 0 to 1, then 0.5. If we are making 4 parts of from 0 to 1, this becomes 0.25. So for this it is 16. For this it is 16. It's very near to 16 here. Here. Then for half it is 8. For half,
So we have to leave 4 boxes for 0?
for 0 to 1, because if you are taking from 0 to 1, it is 0.25. This becomes a 0.5. This becomes 0.75, and then it is 1. So this is 1 by 4. This is half. Okay.
Okay.
So for the half it is 8. Then for 1 it is 4. For 1 it is 4. This one. And for 2 it is 2. For 2 it is 2. For 3 it is 1.3. 1.3 means here after 1, if we are making 3 parts of 1, 2, like here, means this is 1 and this is 2. 1.3. 3 means we are making 3 parts. So this becomes 1.3. This becomes 1.6. This becomes 1.9. But this is the approximately 3 parts of from 1 digit to second digit. So here 1.3. For which for 3, sorry, for 3 it is for 3, and for 4 it is 1. For 4 it is 1. For 5, it is 0.8, means it is very near to 0. This one, 0.8. Now we will match all the points. This is the graph. Okay. Yes, Fatma. Everything is clear?
Yes.
We have plotted all the points on this graph. Okay, you can take the scale according to this given instructions. Okay, I have a little graph, so I am taking according to that. But you will take the scale according to given measurements here. Now use your graph to find x is equal to 3.5. So our function is y is equal to 4 by x. Yes, y. It's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now y is equal to 4 by x. Now x value we will put here, x value, that is 3.6. Use your calculator and find the value. 4 divided by 3.6. So its value is 1.1, 1.111. This is the first point. Means y value is this one is y value, and this one is x value. Now the second part is the value of x when y is equal to 1.5. Now we have to find x. So y is equal to 4 by x is the function. Now we are putting the value of 5 here is equal to 4 by x. Now cross multiply, x will shift here and this 1.5 will go down. So it is 4 over 1.5. Now 4 divided by 1.5. It is 2.667, or you can write it as 2.7. Now here the point is y is 1.5 and x is 2.7. These 2 points we have to draw now on the graph. Okay, now for 3.6, for 3.6, I am taking this color. 3.6, x is 3.6 is little here, not middle, but a little here. Oh. It is not at the middle. 1 unit after 5. So 3.6. 3.6 is 1.11. 1.11. So it's mean it is very near to here. Here is 1.11. You can make it 1.1. So this one is the point. This one. The second point is x is 2.7, means it will be here. 2.71, y is 1.5, so it will be y is 1.5 here, so it will be here. Here. So these are the 2 points on the graph. Okay?
Okay.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Now we are taking next question. That is question number 4. Second. Copy. Yes. Question number 4. Question number 4. Now I will make the graph according to the scale. Yes, question number 4 is the table below shows some values of x and corresponding values of y. Correct to one decimal place where y is equal to 10 over x squared. Now here the difference is one of all numbers. So we can use calculator for finding the values. Okay, now go to the mod, press 7. Our function is fractional function. So you will put the fraction here. Above is 10 and denominator is x alpha x, and then press square x square. Now the first step is 1 and the last is 5 and the difference is 1. So the first value is 10, second is 2.5, the third value a is
1.1.
1.1. Yes, a is 1.1. We have also to correct to one decimal place, and also 4 is 0.6 and the last one is 0.4. You're getting the same?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now find the value of AB. We found both values AB. Use a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on both axes. So here, if I will make the graph, both are positive sides. So we can make here a little bit to left side. Okay. 2, this is 1, this is 2. I am taking this difference. So 1, 2, 3, and 5. And similarly, for y, our maximum value is 10 and the minimum value is 0.4. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it is 1, 2, 3, 9, and 10. Okay, now plot the numbers on the graph. So for 1 it is 10. For 1 it is 10. So this will be here. For 1 Oh, it is this point. I'm taking this point. Okay, the second is for 2, it is 2.5. For 2, it is 2.5. So it will be here, here. And third is for 3, it is 1.1. A little up to 1. Then it is 0.6. 0.6 means the center of 0 and 1. And 0.4 means if we are making the 4 parts of this, then it is this. Now we will join these all points. Now the graph is this. Okay. Now this is the graph, and according to this we have to find the values now. For x is equal to 2.8, find y. So y is 10 by x square. Put x value, so it is 2.8 square. Now 2.8 square is 10 divided by 10 divided by, take brackets and then 2.8 close bracket and then square. 2 equal is 1.2 or 3. You can take 3 because we can round off 1.3 because it is 1.27, so we can round off 1.3. Now the second part is, because it's mentioned here, correct to 1 decimal place. It is mentioned here, so you have to correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, the value of x is, we have to find x, y is 4.4. Y function is 10 over x square. Put 4.4 is equal to 10 over x square. Cross multiply, x square will come here, and 4.4. So 10 divided by 4.4. It is 2.3 also. 2.3. Now take the square root. Square root of 2.3. Square root of answer, that is 1.6. 1.6. Okay. Now here y value is 4.4 and x value is 1.6. Here x value is this 2.8 and y value is this. Now we plot these points on the graph. For x 2.8, x 2.8 will be here. So for y is 4.4. 4.4. So it may be, but it is not matching on the graph. It's not crossing the points on the graph. 2.8 and 4.4. These points are here. 4.4. This is the first point. And the second point is x is 1.6, y is, we are getting same value for y, 4.4. Okay. Y is 1.3. Y is 1.3. Today you are, all of you are not telling me I'm doing wrong. Y is 1.3, X is 2.8 and Y is 1.3. 1.3. So it will be here. Here. This is the point. And the second point is X is 1.6, Y is X point 1.6. This is the point. And Y is 4.4. It's here. Here. This is the point. Okay. These are 2
Miss, on
points.
the graph for Y, I'm getting
What are you getting?
1.2 and not 1.3. Would that be
One.
right though?
You are getting 1.27.
No, just 1.2.
For what? For first value?
Yes.
Let me check again. 10 divided by.
No, I'm saying for me on the graph, if I were to calculate it from the graph.
No, it is 1.3 because you have to correct to one decimal place. You are getting exactly 1.2 on the graph.
1.21.
21. Okay, let me check. 1.2.8. That is square. That is, I'm getting 1.27 value. Means 10 over 2.8 square. Take square of this. 2.8 square. Take square of 2.8. What is the value? Its value is 2.25.
Now I'm getting 1.25.
Okay, now it is 10 divided by 2.84. Huh? I'm getting 3.52.
Me too.
It is 3.52. Why? Hmm. 10 divided by 2.8 square is 7 point. Oh, it is 7 point. It is 7.84. Then divided by 7.
1.7.
I am getting 1.275 and so on some values. And this, if we will correct to one decimal place, it is 1.3. You are not getting this value because square
I'm
of
getting
this
it now.
for 2.8 square, it is 7.84. Okay. Then 10 divided by 7.84, I am getting this. And after rounding off, I am getting 1.3. Yes, while Rumisa and